talking all about migraines and how to naturally get rid of them. Awesome, right? Migraines suck. They can ruin your day, stop you from doing daily tasks, and make you just want to stay in bed. I'm all for lying in bed, but not because of a migraine. Migraines can be caused by many things, such as lack of sleep, stress, hormonal changes, dehydration, or even certain medications. Now let's see how we can naturally get rid of them. Hack number 1, lavender oil. It's all about the lavender oil. You can inhale the smell, apply it to your skin, or put it in water. Add 2 to 4 drops in boiling hot water and inhale the vapors. Hack number 2, apply pressure. Being congested is the worst. If you're congested, this is an awesome remedy to help you get rid of that sinus pressure and migraine. Apply pressure right below your eyes on your cheekbones, or you can also apply pressure right between your eyebrows, like so. You can take it up a notch by adding a pack of ice to the back of your neck to relieve migraine pain. Hack number 3, get herbal. There are tons of herbs out there to help you get rid of that migraine pain. You can make a tea with fresh ginger, cayenne pepper, peppermint leaves, and say adios to that migraine. If an actual cup of tea isn't your cup of tea, then try drinking lemon water with a little honey and lavender in it to get rid of migraines. Hack number 4, ginger root. Ginger is your friend, remember that. But how does it help? You can chew on a piece of ginger root to help calm nerves and relieve migraine pain. So get on that ginger train if you haven't already boarded. Hack 5, eat healthy. This is the most important natural remedy. A balanced diet makes you less likely to develop migraines. I'm Kiera, and I'll see you next time.